lightning, guys. It's lightning.
Here comes the rain.
And it's raining now. You probably can't see it, but raindrops are coming down. Raindrops are coming down. And there's lightning over there. Probably can't see it though. It's kind of hard to see, but there's lightning down there. Look at the raindrops coming down. You probably can't see it, but the raindrops coming down. Whoa, you see all that? Oh, look at I'm wet. My phone's wet too. Look at the rain. By the way, today is Free Slurpees Day. Today's Free Slurpees Day. Today's 7-Eleven. Whoa. Ooh, man. Some cold raindrops. Look at the rain right there. You guys can see probably a little bit of rain, but not much. Whoa! Oh my God. We're getting hit. I heard we're getting a thunderstorm watch. And believe it or not, I heard that over north or eastern Colorado, they're getting an inch of rain an hour. So it's getting really bad over there. We don't live over there though. We're gonna get some rain though. I think we're gonna get a little something. Look at the sky. It's just pure gray. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Look at the rain. It's getting really, really windy. I smell rain again. Oh my God. Yeah, the severe thunderstorm is in our area. Hopefully you guys can see the rain. I really hope so. Oh my God, it's windy. Yeah, I'm also going to show right there because of the lightning. I'm hearing thunder too. I'm also hearing thunder. Oh my God. This is getting a bit creepy. Even though it is starting to lighten up a little bit, but still. It's still raining. Oh my God. Oh my God, you hear that wind? I hear thunder. I heard thunder. Oh my God, I am so wet. Yeah, I'm going to a game. I'm gonna be in the game, in the Special Olympics game today. Usually on Fridays. I believe next Friday is the last day for it. Oh, sorry guys. You guys just missed the lightning strikes I was showing over there. Yeah, there's a lot of lightning over there. Look at the wind. I heard thunder. Look at the raindrops. It's coming down good. Ooh, holy smokes. Look at how windy it is. Yep, I'm filming this for you guys. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy it. This is pretty insane. Whoa, oh my God. I've seen worse storms though. I've seen worse. Like the night of Monday, that was horrible. The night of Monday, that was so much. That was pretty much worse. No, actually, that was way worse. But this is also a severe thunderstorm. This is also a severe thunderstorm. Sometimes the weather can be unpredictable. Yeah, this is a wet 7-Eleven day. Today's a holiday. Today is 7-Eleven. I'm gonna get, yep, I am going to go 7-Eleven today. I'm gonna get a Slurpee over there today. I'm gonna get a Slurpee over there in about 45 minutes. And I'll film the weather if it continues. If it gets worse, it might be canceled. The game might be canceled because of the weather. Looks like the lightning mostly stopped, so, but it's still raining. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. See you guys later. Bye.